Oh, horses out. Yep, I will survive. Gets away immediately. Moving up party out. So now let me know. Chonange. Then comes Isko. Tremendous Ethan. Compelled to lead. Happy Boomer. Dragon May. And mapagtiis. Let me know. Viralenka. I will survive in second. Moving up party outside. Third now is Isko. Two lengths in for Chonange. Tremendous Ethan compelled to lead in 6. Then followed by Dragon May, Happy Boomer, and a long way back to Mapagtiis. They swing into the back. Let me know, Isko is already out and now moving up to take second. I will survive. Drives back in third and in fourth, Tremendous Ethan. Alongside Pip Chonange, compelled to lead in 6. 7 is Happy Boomer, Dragon May, and Mapagtiis. Isko takes the lead by the neck, and in second is Let Me Know. Racing in third, Tremendous Ethan, Chonange, Happy Boomer, compelled to lead now, likewise moving up. Chonange, Isko, Bayalalenka, and in second is Let Me Know, Tremendous Ethan, Happy Boomer in fourth, compelled to lead. But it's there Isko by about 2.5 lengths. Happy Boomer moving up in the middle, Tremendous Ethan, compelled to lead. But it's there Isko, down on the inside is a Happy Boomer. Isko, Happy Boomer, Tremendous Ethan, and on the outside is compelled to lead. But it's there Isko, Happy Boomer, entering the finish line. It's going to be Happy Boomer. Isko compelled to lead. Then comes Chonange.